Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto, you might be wondering how to transfer USDT from Trust Wallet to Revolut in 2025. It's a smart move for managing your funds, especially with the evolving crypto landscape. Today, I'll walk you through this step by step in a simple, hassle-free way. But remember, crypto transactions involve risks, so always double-check fees and security measures before proceeding. First off, let's cover the basics. You'll need a Trust Wallet with USDT in it and a verified Revolut account. Revolut doesn't directly support USDT deposits, so we'll involve an exchange to convert it to fiat currency like USD or EUR. This is key for 2025, as regulations might have tightened. Step 1. Open your Trust Wallet app and go to the USDT wallet. Tap on Send and enter the amount you want to transfer. Make sure to use a reputable exchange's wallet address as the recipient. Think Binance or Coinbase for this. Step 2. On the exchange, deposit your USDT. Once it's confirmed, sell your USDT for fiat currency. This usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Step 3. After converting to fiat, withdraw it to your Revolut account. Go to the exchange's withdrawal section, select Bank Transfer, and enter your Revolut account details. Revolut should receive the funds within 1 to 3 business days. A few tips to keep it smooth. Always enable two-factor authentication on both apps to protect your assets. Watch out for transaction fees, they can add up. And in 2025, check for any new Revolut features that might allow direct crypto transfers. There you have it. You've successfully transferred your USDT. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.